Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix G435 headset blue light. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this issue. So first you're going to understand what is the G435's connection capabilities. So the headset can connect in two different ways. So Lightspeed wireless via USB receiver or Bluetooth. If the blue light is on, chances are it's either stuck in Bluetooth mode or not connected properly. So in this case, you need to switch modes here. Now you want to press and hold the mute button, usually underneath your headset here, as you can see right now. Now you want to press and hold this for about 3 seconds, and the LED should change color to indicate a new mode here. Now try switching between modes and test the audio in each to see which one connects properly. Now, you want to reconnect the USB receiver. Now, if you're using a Lightspeed USB dongle here, unplug it from your computer or console, wait for a few seconds, then plug it back in. Also, make sure your headset is turned on after connecting, and in this case, check if the audio starts working again. And from then on, if you can, you may want to update the firmware as well. So if the issue still isn't fixed, it might be a firmware problem here. So go to the official Logitech support webpage here or website, search for the G435 headset, and download the latest firmware update for it. But yeah, so just follow the on-screen instructions in order for you to update the firmware for it, but you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.